Welcome to this CSS tutorial. Now in this video we're going to go over the CSS line height property, and what that does is it adds spaces to your text and it makes your text looks more readable. Okay, and you can see over here I created this huge paragraph with a dummy text of you should know this lorem ipsum. It's a dummy text. And now to get this kind of text, you should just you can just come over here, this paragraph, you just come inside the paragraph and you just use lorem, and after the lorem then you use any number, and any number you use will be the number of text you get. If you use 100, you get 100. When you click enter, you get 100 text. If you use 50, you click enter, you get 50 text. So that is how to get the dummy text. Okay, so concerning the line height property, that's what we are going to be looking at in this video. So now let me just refresh this on our web page. Let's just see this on our web page. Now you can see the text. You can see it's too close to one another. They are too close to each other. You can see it's too tight. Now we want there to be space here. We want to create space here to this text so it can be readable at least. So now how to do that? Let's give this paragraph a class. Let's give this paragraph a class of, since it's a very big paragraph, it's a huge paragraph, let's just give it a class of big para. It's a big hyphen para. Now let's go to our CSS to style it. Let's come down here. Sorry. Now you say dot big para, and then you say the property you use, you say line hyphen height. You say line height, and then here you can use the percentage, the em, or the pixels, and I've taught you that in our previous video, so you can use any of that, but in this case let's just use a 1.5 em. Now you can use the percentage, pixels, but in this tutorial we're going to use the 1.5 em. So you say 1.5 em. Now let's refresh this. Now I want you to see these changes. Now I want you to see these changes in this paragraph here. So now if you refresh this, now refresh, now you can see that space. You can see the spaces between our text, between all the text here. So that is just it for the CSS line height property. Now you can see it's more readable. Okay, yeah, so that's it for the CSS line height property. I will see you guys in the next video.